Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you.
Up close and personal. Today we're going to be filming this beautiful pearl wing liner look. It's super easy, made with super affordable products, besides one, the highlight, because the highlight is always the most expensive, which you can't really see here because my ring light is super bright, but you can't see it on my nose. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. As you can see, my brows are done already. I'm not the best at my brows. My brows freaking suck, but I try my best with what I have. Ignore my beautiful little new creature here on my face. Today we're going to be filming a look with the Honey palette from ColourPop Cosmetics. So I'm going to see what I come up with on my eyes. Again, I'm not the best at makeup. I just love makeup. Very yellow vibes, very spring. Hoping for you very soon spring. So I'm going to take the e.l.f. Camo Concealer and I'm pretty much just going to put that right on my eyelid. Take this finger right here and I'm just going to pretty much dab that all over my eyelid. I have like veiny eyelids, so I'm gonna try to cover that up. I just want something that my shadows can stick to. Again, I'm sorry for the lighting. Then right after I'm done with that, I pretty much just take my beauty blender. This is from Morphe, and I just pat right over that. And then your eye should be primed and ready to begin. Gonna do the M504 brush by Morphe. Let's do Stinger first. This one over here. Ooh, is that me over there? I'm gonna put that all over my crease. So for those hoping for festival season, even though I feel like it's probably not gonna happen for a lot of us, where were you guys going? I wanna know. I was actually supposed to be going to Tomorrowland and Untold in Romania, but I'm not sure what's gonna happen with that. These names are cute in this palette. Slightly just pat it and then you go in with your circular motions to just blend it out. So once you're done, it should look like this. We got that Stinger shade right in the crease. It's not as pigmented, but it's okay. We're gonna build it up. I'm gonna go right into this Behave color, and I'm gonna go right underneath that Stinger color that I applied first. So let's see how this works. Ooh, she's pigmented. Wow. Nena, también linda. I'm gonna keep on going with this eye, and then I'm gonna go to the other eye, and then I'll come back. Stop playing. I'm gonna go back in with that M504 brush that I used in the beginning for this first shade Stinger, and I'm just basically going to use whatever's left over on that brush, and I'm going to blend both of these colors together. Okay, you guys see what I'm saying? What other color? This Sweet Spot is kind of like speaking to me. I'm gonna try my finger. Even though it's a matte. Ooh. Oh, she came through on this side. That Wet n Wild brush, the second one that I used, and I'm just gonna blend this out. Not really trying to put the brush towards my lash line because I really want that color to be like super pigmented in that area. She's pretty. She cute. She cute. I like her. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. matte putty primer. Did you guys see the new Bad Bunny video? He killed it. I freaking loved it. Maybelline, why don't I know the names? Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in shade 118. I took a pump of it on my back hand, just like dab into it, and I'm just dab it on that pimple because, girl. M439 foundation brush is usually what I use. I'm just gonna put this everywhere. Wow, that pimple over there is not playing. She don't want to go nowhere. Raise this up because I don't want my nanas to show. Then my mommy be mad at me. Take a little bit more of that because clearly a girl needs it. You're wondering, I got my earrings from TJ Maxx. I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm gonna take my ring finger, and I just like to take my finger and dab it underneath my eyes because I feel like the sponge takes away all the coverage. My finger is a little bit more gentle and it leaves the coverage there. It just like warms up the product and pushes it into my skin. See how it's like covered? This is coverage right here. Take my beauty blender and I'm just gonna go right over the areas that I went in with my finger. Yeah, we covered. We cute. Bronzer from Physicians Formula that I almost hit pan in. On this brush, it's by Morphe. It came in like a pack. It doesn't have a name, but it's like this. And I place this on the areas that I want to put my bronzer. So you see how I'm placing it? And I just keep patting it. Ooh, trying to warm up the skin. Bronzer, and just apply it right here to make my papa look not like a papa. Put that shit on your ears too. Make your ears get a little tan. I'm gonna go in with this brush from Real Techniques and I'm just gonna blend this out. Pray for me. My skin is looking nice. Thank you. Okay, babe, you gotta tell yourself that you're beautiful, because you are. So, bronzer's on. Dip into this Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess highlighter. It was super expensive, but it's so nice. It reminds me of like Pocahontas. I don't know why. So I'm gonna take that on an e.l.f. blush brush. Yes, a blush brush. And I'm gonna pick it up. Ooh, that was a lot. You're probably like, oh, you're putting highlight on your pimple? Yeah, I am. Take my finger and I'm going to dab that highlight in place. Flexitarian, dip my finger in there. Ooh, look at that. Look at me. Blush. This is in the shade I Need Space. Just take this on a Real Techniques blush brush. And go right in the lower lash line. I applied a lip color, just simple color because I have yellow on my eyelids. I'm gonna now start with the fun stuff. I'm gonna add some pearls as wing liner. I got these from Michaels. They're super cheap. They stick really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply them with the strip adhesive. It's the Kiss one. This middle size lash glue. Look down and then I just like put a dot and I just put it right on the glue and it'll stick like that. And then whatever I do to one side, I go ahead and I do it to the other. Apply some pressure. So you see, the pearls are there. Continue to do that, but you can decorate your eye however you want. Space between the lash line and my skin so I can apply my lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. That way I can continue to put on the pearls and know exactly where I'm placing them. I'm gonna be using these lashes by Kiss. So they're super wispy. This is what I wanted. I didn't want something so dark to overshadow the pearls. Now I'm gonna go ahead with the tinier ones right here. Don't mind my nails. I'm sure all of you guys are going through this. Withdrawal. Now we're gonna go back to the smaller size until I get that full wing that I want. I finished the wing liner on this eye, and now I'm gonna show you how to do it on this eye. I'm gonna put it right on that dot. take my finger, and there you have your wing. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it as much as I love it. If you do decide to do this, you take your time, you're patient, it will come out the way you want it to come out, super pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys very soon. Make sure you subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend. And besides that, stay safe. And I wish you guys all the best during this quarantine. Love y'all. Bye.